class 10 mathematics. I am RS Prasad sir. Today your topic that is the linear equation MCQs and part 1. Let us start what will be happen in this chapter. So first one is the graphs of y equation 6x minus 2y plus 9 equal to 0 and 3x minus y plus 12 equal to 0 are two lines which are coincident, parallel, intersecting exactly at one point perpendicular to each other. चलिए चेक करते हैं इसको. How one? So that one the your equation is 6x minus 2y plus 9 equal to 0 and here is 3x minus y plus 12 equal to 0. So a1 is equal to 6 and a2 is equal to 3 and here is b1 is equal to minus 2 and b2 is equal to minus 1. c1 is equal to 5 and c2 is equal to 12. So first of all we can find the a1 upon a2, that means 6 upon 3 and 2. So we can say a1 upon a2 is equal to 2. Now come to the b1 upon b2. b1 upon b2, b1 is minus 2 and here is minus 1. So minus minus cancel out. So b1 upon b2 is equal to 2. Now come to the c1 upon c2. It is 5 upon 12. As you have seen, this and this both are equal. That means a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 but does not equal to c1 upon c2. So the lines are parallel. So the lines are parallel because there is no solution. इसका कोई भी solution नहीं होगा. So it has no solution. Parallel line में ही solution नहीं होता है. So B option is the correct option. Now come to the next question. The graph of equation 2x plus 3y, we can write here 2x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0 and second one is the x minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. So we can consider a1 is equal to 2 and a2 is equal to 1 coefficient of x. So b1 is equal to 3 and b2 is equal to minus 2 and here is c1 equal to minus 2 and c2 equal to minus 8. Now find the a1 upon a2. a1 upon a2, that is the 2 upon 1. So we can say it is a1 upon a2 is equal to 2. Now we can find the b1 upon b2. b1 is 3 and 2 here and here is the c1 upon c2 is equal to minus 2 upon minus 8. Minus minus will be common out, so we get 1 by 4. c1 upon c2 is equal to 1 by 4. As you have seen, both are not equal. So a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2. That means it has unique solution. So it has unique solution. It means it is exactly intersecting exactly at one point. ये आपका C option will be correct. Now come to the graph of equation this one. So we can write here 5x minus 15y and minus 8 equal to 0 and here is it is 3x minus 9y and minus 24 upon 5 equal to 0. So a1 is equal to 5, a2 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 15, b2 equal to minus 9, c1 equal to minus 8, c2 is equal to minus 24 upon 5. Now we want to find the a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. a1 is 5 and a2 is 3. So it is 5 by 3. Now we want to find the b1 upon b2. b1 is minus 15 and b2 is minus 9. So minus minus cancel out. 3 3 जा 9 and 3 5 जा 15. So B1 upon B2 is equal to 5 by 3. Now come to the C1 upon C2. C1 upon C2. C1 is minus 8 and C2 is minus 24 upon 5. So 5 ऊपर चला जाएगा, minus minus cancel out. So this will be 8 3 जा. So C1 upon C2 is equal to 5 by 3. It means A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. All are equal because all are 5 by 3, 5 by 3 and 5 by 3. That means the lines are coincident. So it has many infinite solution. और जब भी ऐसा होगा तो ये लाइन कॉन्सिडेंट्स हो जाएंगी, यानी कि ए विल बी करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन. इट इज गिवन एज 3x plus 2ky and minus 2 equal to 0, and second one is 2x plus 5y and plus 1 equal to 0. You can see if the lines are given by 3x plus 2ky equal to 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 equal to 0 are parallel, then the value of k. So as you know, a1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 2k and b2 is equal to 5, c1 is equal to minus 2 and c2 is equal to 1. So for parallel, that means a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but does not is equal to c1 upon c2. So we can put here a1 is given as a1 is 3 and a2 is 2, and here is b1 is 2k and b2 is 5. Now we can see here, so it is 3 into 5, 2 into 2, that is the k. So k will be equal to 15 upon 4. So your option will be D. So D option will be correct. Now come to the next question. For what value of k do the equation kx minus 2y equal to 3 and 3x plus y equal to 5 represent two lines intersecting at a unique point? So let us see. It is kx minus 2y and minus 3 equal to 0. And second one is 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Now a1 is equal to k and a2 is equal to 3 and b1 is equal to minus 2 and b2 is equal to have 1. c1 is equal to minus 3, c2 is equal to minus 5. For unique solution, there is a1 upon a2 does not is equal to b1 upon b2. So put the value. a1 is how much? a1 is k and a2 is 3, does not is equal to b1, that is the minus 2 and upon 1. So k will be does not equal to minus 2 into 3. So k does not is equal to minus 6. So you can say the D option will be correct except minus 6. All the real values, सारी real values आ जाएंगी, लेकिन minus 6 नहीं होना चाहिए. Now come to the sixth, the pair of equation. Equation given है क्या क्या? x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. At minus 3x minus 6y plus 1 equal to 0 है. सॉल्यूशन बताना है आपको. So minus 3x minus 6y and plus 1 equal to 0. So a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to minus 3, b1 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 6, c1 is equal to 5 and c2 is equal to 1. Now we want to find the a1 upon a2. So A1 upon A2 is equal to 1 upon minus 3, and B1 upon B2 it is the 2 upon minus 6. So it is the cancel out. So B1 upon B2 कितना हो जाएगा? It will be minus 1 by 3. And C1 upon C2 भी फाइंड कर लीजिए. C1 upon C2. C1 is 5 and C2 is 1. So as you have to see, A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2 are equal. So you can say A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2, but does not equal to C1 upon C2. So it has no solution. So D option will be correct. It has no solution. चलिए ये नो सॉल्यूशन आ गया आपका. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास the pair of equation 2x plus 3y plus equal to 5 and 4x plus 6y equal to 15. चलिए इसको भी चेक करते हैं. 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0, and second one is 4x plus 6y minus 15 equal to 0. You can say A1 is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 4, and B1 is equal to 3, B2 is equal to 6. Now come to the C1. C1 is equal to minus 5 and C2 is equal to minus 15. Now we can find the A1 upon A2. A1 is 2 and it is 4. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So A1 upon A2 will be equal to 1 by 2. Now come to the B1 upon B2. So B1 is 3 and B2 is 6. So B1 upon B2 कितना हो जाएगा? It is 1 by 2. Now come to the C1 upon C2. C1 upon C2 it is the minus 5 and minus 15. Minus will be cancelled out. 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. So C1 upon C2 is equal to 1 upon 3. As you have seen, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. So A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, but does not is equal to C1 upon C2. That means it has no solution. You have to write also here, it has no solution. Now come to the next. For what value of k does the system of equation x plus 2y equal to 3 and 5x plus ky plus 7 equal to 0 have no solution? First of all, you can write the equation x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Second one is the 5x plus ky plus 7 equal to 0. So a1 will be equal to 1. एक coefficient of x ले रहे हैं. a2 is equal to 5 and here b1 is equal to coefficient of y. It is 2 and b2 is equal to k and c1 is equal to constant terms ले रहे हैं minus 3 and c2 is equal to 7. So we want to find a1 upon a2. Has no solution, तो for no solution लिखना है यहाँ पे. for no solution क्या चीज होती है? for no solution a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but does not is equal to c1 upon c2. Now put the value. a1 is 1 and a2 is 5 is equal to b1 is 2 and b2 is k. Now we can do the cross multiplication. So k is equal to 2 into 5. So k will be equal to 10. So where is the 10? So you can say option A will be correct. Now come to the next question. The pair of equation 2x minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus y minus 8 equal to 0 has a unique solution, exactly two solution, infinitely many solution, and no solution. So we can check it. So 2x minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0, and second one is the 2x plus y and minus 8 equal to 0. So a1 will be equal to 2 and a2 is equal to also 2. b1 is equal to minus 5 and b2 is equal to 1. Coefficient of y है. Now constant term c1 equal to 4 and C2 is equal to minus 8. Now find the A1 upon A2. A1 upon A2, that is the 2 upon 2. So we can cancel it. A1 upon A2 कितना आ गया? 1 आ गया. Now come to the B1 upon B2. So B1 is minus 5, B2 is 1. So B1 upon B2 is equal to minus 5. Now come to the C1 upon C2. C1 is 4 and C2 is minus 8. 4 1 जा 4. 4 2 जा 8 and C1 upon C2 कितना आ गया? माइनस का 1 upon 2 आ गया. As you have seen, the both are not equal. So you have to say A1 upon A2 does not is equal to B1 upon B2. So it has a unique solution. That means first any A option will be your correct option. Now come to the next one. So for what value of k does the pair equation x minus 2y equal to 3 and 2x plus ky equal to 1 has a unique solution. Unique solution लेके चलना है इसमें. So a1 कितना है हमारे? First of all we want to write the equation. So equation is x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Second one is 3x plus ky and minus 1 equal to 0. So a1 equal to 1 and a2 is equal to 3 coefficient of x. Now b1 is equal to minus 2 coefficient of y. So b2 is equal to k and c1 is equal to minus 3 and c2 is equal to minus 1. 4 unique solution. You can write here 4 unique solution. Unique solution a1 upon a2 does not is equal to b1 upon b2. So you can put a1 is 1 and a2 is 3 does not is equal to b1 is minus 2 and b2 is k. So do the cross multiplication. So k does not is equal to minus 6. So you can see D option will be your correct option. नीचे आपको लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा होगा, इसको दबा के सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे और लाइक करेंगे मेरे वीडियो को और कमेंट्स भी करेंगे, बेल आइकन को भी दबा लेंगे और कम से कम ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करें जिससे ज्यादा बच्चों को फायदा हो सके. थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे. इसी के साथ मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर आज का वीडियो यहीं समाप्त करता हूं.